Tesla Model 3 software updates can sometimes get stuck during the download process, leading to freezes, retry loops, or Wi-Fi connectivity failures. These issues often stem from network interruptions, server overloads, or hardware limitations. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing these problems so you can get back on the road quickly. Several factors can cause a Tesla Model 3 update to stall. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi connections are a primary culprit. The car requires a reliable 2.5 GHz connection. Other causes include low battery levels during the update. The vehicle must be plugged in to prevent battery drain during multi-hour downloads. Concurrent processes overloading the system, such as navigation or media playback, can also lead to freezes. Finally, occasional bugs in the software itself can cause updates to stall. Understanding these reasons can help you prevent future issues. Before attempting more complex solutions, start with these basic troubleshooting steps to resolve Tesla Model 3 update issues. First, ensure your Model 3 is plugged into a charger. This prevents battery drain during the lengthy update download process, which can take 30 to 45 minutes or more. Second, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Updates require a stable connection, so move closer to your router or switch to a different network if the current one is weak. Finally, close any unnecessary apps running on the touchscreen. This frees up system resources that might be interfering with the update process. A soft reboot can often resolve minor software glitches. To perform a soft reboot, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This process typically takes about 30 seconds. This will not erase any settings or data. This is usually the first step you should take to resolve any issue. If the soft reboot doesn't resolve the update issue, focus on your Wi-Fi connection. Start by resetting the network in the car's settings menu. If you have a weak Wi-Fi signal, try using your mobile phone as a hotspot to provide a stable connection for the update download. Alternatively, connect your Tesla to a different Wi-Fi network that offers better speed and reliability. Make sure Tesla's adaptive Wi-Fi technology is enabled in your settings. This feature automatically switches between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands to optimize download speed. For persistent Tesla Model 3 update issues that resist basic fixes, advanced solutions can help. We'll explore 3 escalating options: force restart via the Tesla app, hard reboot using vehicle controls, and battery disconnection as a last resort. First, try the force restart option in the Tesla mobile app. Open the app, navigate to your vehicle's controls, and look for the force restart feature if it's available on your model. This remote command can often resolve stuck update screens without physical access to the car. If the app option isn't available or doesn't work, perform a hard reboot. Simultaneously press and hold the brake pedal while holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel. Maintain this for exactly 30 seconds, then release. The vehicle will reboot, which can clear software glitches causing update stalls. As a last resort for stubborn issues, disconnect the car's 12-volt battery. This can clear persistent software locks by resetting the vehicle's electrical system. However, only attempt this if you're comfortable working with automotive electronics and know the proper procedure. Disconnect for exactly 10 minutes, then reconnect carefully. If unsure, contact Tesla service instead. If the troubleshooting steps haven't resolved your Tesla Model 3 update issue, it's time to reach out to Tesla's resources and support team for further assistance. First, contact Tesla support directly through their website or mobile app. Provide details about your issue, including your vehicle's software version and any symptoms you've observed. Before contacting support, check the official Tesla forums and Reddit's r/Tesla Motors subreddit. Many owners share solutions for common update problems that have worked for others in similar situations. Tesla service centers offer free diagnostics for persistent software update issues. Visit your nearest service center, where technicians can run comprehensive checks on your vehicle's systems. When seeking help, always note down any error codes displayed on your vehicle's touchscreen. This information, such as network error codes or diagnostic messages, will help the support team diagnose and resolve your specific issue more efficiently. Tesla continues to enhance its update process with advanced features designed to prevent issues and improve reliability. AI-driven updates are becoming more common, with machine learning predicting and avoiding failures based on vehicle history. Monthly releases are now standard instead of quarterly. Future updates will increasingly use satellite-based systems like Starlink, reducing dependency on Wi-Fi networks. Keep your Tesla app updated to receive notifications about new features and troubleshooting options. As of early 2026, most Model 3 owners report successful updates within 30 to 45 minutes. User satisfaction ratings have improved to 78% for update reliability. Monitor official Tesla announcements for the latest developments in update technology and cybersecurity enhancements.